I'm going to use the Ivory Studio to create a very simple API based off of a mainframe IMS transaction. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to create a RESTful project. I'm going to point to IMS, and then I'm going to create a project. In this case, it's going to be IMS 5. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to name the operation Get Data and create a resource path called getData.rest. I now need to point to the copybook. In this case, I've got an input copybook in COBOL. I'm going to import that in. I've also got a copybook that maps the output. It's called IMS Program Out, and you'll see it's COBOL. We support all the COBOL constructs like redefines, occurs depending on. I'm going to point to the transaction. Click Next. The only two fields I need as input out of that transaction are command and last name. And then I'm going to use this whole structure as output. Then I'm going to click Finish. It generates a very simple flow diagram on the screen. I want to deploy this to our server now. I'm going to deploy it to this server, and you'll see it deploys it, and it's uploaded and it's complete. Now I want to test it. Now, since this is a RESTful API, we're going to use the Open API testing, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm actually going to plug in some values. So here, the command is display, and the last name. And then when I click down and click Try It Now, you'll see the information comes back here. So what I did in just a matter of a minute or so is create an API, RESTful API, based off an IMS transaction running on System Z using the Ivory service architecture.